stylish one. Oh my God. Right.
Just
What's this? Dinosaur. What did dinosaur called? Warum? You essen.
Asa. Entschuldigung, warte. Okay.
Now what happened? What happened? Why'd you get scared?
Don't shoot the dinosaur.
There was a dinosaur toy, and what sound did it make? And then what?
With my daddy.
You were crying, my daddy. Yeah, you were crying for me?
Yeah.
Aw, you got scared.
And then my daddy.
You were crying, my daddy. But you're okay now?
Yeah.
Yes? Look at me.
Heard sound back there.
You heard the sound back there, and it got you scared.
Look! Look! A big dinosaur.
A big one?
Uh-huh. I said a big one dinosaur. Dinosaur! Dinosaur! Dinosaur!
He gonna get you.
He's gonna get me again.
It's gone, Anna. It's all gone. It's all gone.
What's wrong, Jaden?
What?
There he is.
What's
What's wrong?
I get out and I don't want to come back over here. Mom,
Yes.
I'm slow so they don't really eat me.
What's the dinosaur say? What's the dinosaur say? Yeah, you got him.